Pop and Drop did take out the pre-market highs here. Pre-market high of $6.90, but it is below that level. Qualcomm's gonna fill us. I'm watching DTS here. AIM is going to be the mover. Yeah, I know, Dale. I know, man. It'll be up. I'm waiting on those two to make a move to the upside here. Alright, ALNA, guys. Alpha Lima November Alpha, ALNA. That was the early buyer. That's on our watch list. It's something to watch as well. Teva, for those that like the larger float names, Teva up on earnings on actually a surprise beat. Tango Echo Victor Alpha. The mover from yesterday, ADVM, also a name to watch here as well.